Very good morning, my dear students. And you are most welcome in the important year of your life. You are entering in the 10th class. This is one of the important step in our life. And here I am going to start your mathematics subject, especially the algebra section from mathematics. And this is the first chapter in our algebra, linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. So my dear students, you might have been studied what is meant by equation. What are the polynomials in the last year? Okay, so what is exactly the meaning of linear equation in two variables? Before starting this lesson, you should know what is exactly the meaning of equation. Remember? So here, what is equation? What is meant by equation? What is meant by equations? Mathematical or algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions which may consist of some constant and variables, but having two different sides which are balanced with each other are called as equation. Have you got it? What is equation? Equation is an algebraic expression containing some constants and variable and having how many sides? There are two sides. One is a left hand side and another is a right hand side, and these are balanced with each other. So what are the balancing signs? You should know in order to balance two sides. Here it is LHS and here it is RHS, left hand side and right hand side. So what are the balancing equation? One is equal to, remember, we can balance two sides by this sign. This is called as equal to, or maybe the greater than sign, or maybe the less than sign. Every equation consists of how many sides? Two sides. One is the left hand side and another is the right hand side. And these two sides are balanced with each other by means of either equal to sign or less than sign or greater than sign. And this is called as the equation. Let us here, for example, take the example. For example, look at this. Number 1. What is number 1? Here x plus 2y plus z is equal to 10. Have you got? Is it an equation? Yes, definitely this is the equation because there is a equal to sign. Whenever there is a equal to sign, definitely it is a equation. Okay, and here there are two sides. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Left hand side consists of some constant and some variable x, y, z. These are variables. Is it clear? And right hand side consists of only constant. There may be variable to the right hand side also. This is equation. Take now another example. What is another example? X square plus 2y is greater than 9. Is it an equation? Yes. Definitely it is also an equation. It also possesses two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Is it clear? See here. Or take the another example. What is another example? Another example, 3x cube plus 5x is less than 100. Is it an equation? Yes, this is also the equation. Okay, and this is also having the two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, that may consist of some constant and some variable. So what is the first point? I want to express what is exactly the equation. You should know what is the difference between expression and equation. Okay, expression means, let us see, most of the time we are just writing the polynomial. Okay, for example, 3x square plus 2y plus z. It is a polynomial. There is only one side. It is called as a mathematical expression. Now we are interested in the equation. So these are different equations. Now look at this here. If we observe this here, there are how many variables? There are 3 variables x, y, z. Here there are how many variables? Only 2 variables x and y. Here there is only one variable x. Got it? Mister, we can say this is an equation with 3 variables. This is an equation with 2 variables. And this is an equation with only one variable. Only x is there. Got it? One more important point is there. What is that point? That is called as a degree. So what is meant by degree? Let us see here, highest power. Highest power of variable. Highest power of variable such that its coefficient should not equal to 0 is called as a degree of equation or degree of expression. So here, see here, there is no power means 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Okay, so look at this here, degree is 1. Now here what is highest power? It is 2. So what is the degree of this equation? Degree is 2. Here highest power is 3, means what is the degree of the equation? Degree of equation is 3. Means at this step you should know what is meant by equation. Number 1. Number 2, equation in 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, like that. And number 3, what is the degree of equation? It is the highest power of variable. Got it? Now here in this chapter we have to study linear equation in 2 variables. So what is the meaning of linear equation? Remember that. What is the meaning of linear equation? Remember, an equation whose degree is 1 is called as linear equation. See here, linear equation किसे कहेंगे जिसका डिग्री कितना होता है? 1. Remember, if the degree of equation is 1, such a equation is called as linear equation. So this is linear equation, but this is linear equation in 3 variable. Okay, this is also linear equation, but it is linear equation in 2 variable. And in this chapter, we have to study linear equation in 2 variable. That may be x and y, that may be m and n, that may be p and q, whatever may be. Which variables are there, that is not important. Remember the concept. So here, we have to study an equation, linear equation having degree 2. So, for example, what are the linear equations? What are the linear equations in 2 variable? What are the linear equation in 2 variable? For example, x plus y is equal to 3. Is it a linear equation? Yes. Why? Because degree of equation is 1. That's why it is called as a linear equation. How many variables are there? 2 variables are there. Now another example. For example, 3x plus 5y is equal to 10. How many variables are there? 2 variables. And what is the degree? Again here, degree is 1. Okay, so degree is 1 means this is also linear equation in 2 variables. Is it clear? Or take now another example. What is another example? See here, another example. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 100. Is it a linear equation? Yes, because degree is 1. Because degree is 1 and there are only 2 variables, means all these are the linear equations in 2 variables. All these are the linear equations in 2 variables. Take down another example. Take down another example. See here, another example is 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 10. Is it a linear equation in 2 variables? So let us see here, what is the degree of this x? 1. Here also power is 1, but it is in denominator, so we can say it is 3x raised to minus 1 plus 2y raised to minus 1 is equal to 10. So here degree is not 1, so this is not linear equation in 2 variable. This is equation in 2 variable, but not a linear equation in 2 variable. Any doubt here? Have you got it? So this is about linear equation in 2 variable. See here. Now look at this. Next we have to study what is meant by solution. Solution of linear equation in 2 variable. Solution of linear equation in 2 variable. What is the meaning of solution? Remember that we have studied what is linear equation. Linear equation is, for example, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. This is a linear equation in 2 variable. We can say this is equation number 1. So what is meant by solution of this equation? Listen me carefully. Those values of the variable, variable means x and y. Those values of the variable which can satisfy this equation, are called as solution of linear equation in 2 variable. Those values of the variable which can satisfy this equation. So question arises, how to find that these values of the variable. So see here, look at this. Therefore, from this we can say what is y. Y is equal to, take this x on the right hand side, so it will be 5 minus x. This is equation number 2. Have you got it? See. Now look at this. How to find the solution? Put x equal to 0. Put here x equal to 0. So what is y? Y is equal to 5 minus 0. So therefore y is equal to 5. Got it? Means here, what is the first solution? We got the first solution. First solution is, what is x? X equal to 0, comma y equal to 5. Clear? We got the first solution. Now see here next, put x equal to 1 in equation 2. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 1. So therefore, y equal to 4. Okay, y equal to 4 means what is second solution? Second solution is 1, comma 4. Right? See, this is the second solution. Now put x equal to 2. So if we put x equal to 2 here, therefore what is y? Y is equal to 5 minus 2. So y is equal to 3. Okay, we got third solution. So therefore what is third solution? Third solution is x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Got it? Now see here, if we put x equal to minus 1. So if we put x equal to minus 1 in equation 2, it will becomes y is equal to 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the fourth solution? Fourth solution is minus 1, comma 6. What is this? This is called as solution of linear equation in two variable. How to find the solution? Let us here just put the value of one of the variable, you will get the value of another variable. Then question maybe arises in your mind, how many solutions are there? So if you can put the value of x, any value of the x, you will get the value of y. It means that here there are infinite number of solutions to the linear equation in two variable. Have you got it? How many solutions are there? There are infinite solutions. Let us here. Look at this. There are how many solutions? Infinite solution to the linear equation in two variable. Then question maybe arises in your mind, why it is called as a linear equation? Why it is called as a linear equation? What is the reason why it is called so? Reason is that if we plot the graph among all these points, then you will get the straight line. Graph will be the straight line, and that is the reason why it is called linear equation. So see here, look at this. What are our solutions? First solution we have seen, it is 0, 5. See here, first solution 0, 5. What is the second solution? Second solution is 1, 4. Third solution 2, 3. And fourth solution minus 1, 6. Have you got it? See here. Look at this. Now we are going to plot the equation of this. We are going to plot the graph of this equation. So look at the nature of the graph. Look at the nature of the graph. See here, how to plot the graph of any equation? First find the coordinates. So we have already find the coordinates. 4 coordinates are there. Okay, 4 coordinates are there. Look at this. Suppose this is x-axis. Okay, and this is the y-axis. Okay, see here. Let this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. And here on the left hand side of the origin, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 like that. See here. Look at this. On y-axis, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that. Now plot all these points. See here. How to plot? What is the first point? 0, 5. 0, 5 means this is the first point. Got it? Any doubt? 0, 5. What is the second point? 1, 4. 1, 4 means this is the second point. Okay. What is third one? 2, 3. 2, 3 means, see here, this is third point. Okay. And what is 4? Minus 1, 6. Here it is minus 1 and 6 means this is next point. Got it? Have you got it? See here. Now here join all these points. Join all these points. Look at this. See here. I am going to join all these points. Then you will get the straight line. Like that. Is it a straight line? Yes, this is the straight line. Now my graph is not according to scale. This is just by assumptions. Okay. If you draw this graph by scale only, you will get the exact straight line. And that is the reason why these equations are called as a linear equation. Okay. So this is the introduction about linear equation in two variable and what is the meaning of solution of linear equation in two variable. So how many solutions are there? There are infinite number of solutions. Okay. Now see here. So what is exactly the definition of linear equation in two variable? Read it carefully. Means an equation which contains two variable and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. Okay. So we have taken so many examples, but what is the general equation? What is the general equation of linear equation in two variable? What is the general form? It is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Or here we can say or ax plus by is equal to c or minus c, whatever may be. So this is the general form of linear equation in two variable. याच्या आधीच्या लेक्चर, याच्या आधीच्या टाइम मध्ये आपण जे पाहिलेलं आहे ते आपण पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल्स घेतलेले आहेत. नाउ आय एम गोइंग टू गिव्ह जनरल इक्वेशन. लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल म्हटल्याबरोबर तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर काय उभं राहिलं पाहिजे? आयदर दिस और दिस. ax plus by equal to c or ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this a, b, c are the real numbers. ABC are the real number and what is x and y? X and y are the variables. Have you got it? So remember either this equation or this equation. Both are the general forms of linear equation in two variable. Okay, see here. Now there is one activity. आपको अभी जो भी मैंने पढ़ाया है आपको समझ में आया या नहीं, ये एक्टिविटी से क्लियर होगा. अगर आपको each and every point समझ में आया है तो आप ये एक्टिविटी बहुत इजीली सॉल्व करेंगे. यू कैन सॉल्व इजीली दिस एक्टिविटी. सो व्हाट इज द एक्टिविटी? कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. सो हियर serial numbers are given and these are the different equations. And here is the equation is a linear equation in two variable. You have to mention your answer either in yes or no. काय विचारले तुम्हाला की दिलेले इक्वेशन लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल आहेत का? For example, this is the equation 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Is it a linear equation in two variable? काय check करायचंय? There should be two variable. Yes, m is there, n is there. Degree of both the terms should be 1. Here there is no power means 1. Here also 1. Got it? See here. So this is the linear equation in two variable. No doubt. Now look at this second equation. 3x square minus 7y equal to 13. Minus 7y equal to 13. Now let us say there are also two variable x and y. Here power is not given means 1. But what about this? Here power is 2. So power is 2 means whether it is linear equation or not? No. So what is your answer? Your answer should be no. Right? No, it is not the equation. Now next another one. Root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 60. Is it a linear equation in two variable? So here look at this, there are two variables x and y. What is the power? Power is not given, means 1. Here also it is 1. Okay, so yes, this is the linear equation in two variables, no doubt. Okay, now next another one. Another one, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So here coefficient of this x is 0. It means that this term get cancelled. Is it clear? So it will become 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it a linear equation in two variables? This is a linear equation, no doubt, but only one variable. So no. This is the linear equation in one variable. Take the another example. 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equal to 0. This is in the general format ax plus by plus c equal to 0, no doubt. But here again here coefficient of y is 0. Means here it will become 0.3x minus 36 equal to 0. So this is not linear equation in two variable. It is the linear equation in one variable. Now see here another one. Another one, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. We have taken one example like this. So here x and y, two variables are there. Okay, their powers are 1, no doubt, but these are in denominator. That's why power become minus 1. So this is also not a linear equation in two variable. Okay, now next, another one, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the equation in two variable, no doubt. Power is also 1, but this is not in a general form x plus by plus c equal to 0. So that is also not linear equation in two variable. Have you got it? So this is the linear equation in two variable. Okay, now we are going to study one more important concept, that is simultaneous linear equation. You might have been heard this word simultaneous. Simultaneous means at the same time. So what is meant by simultaneous linear equation? Remember, when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called as a simultaneous equation. Remember, if we consider two different linear equations in two variables at the same time and solving simultaneously, it is called as simultaneous equation. So in this chapter, we have to study simultaneous equations. Okay, means here not only two equations, you can take three equations also. If we consider two or more than two linear equations in two variables simultaneously, then such equation are called as simultaneous linear equation or simultaneous equation only. Okay, see here. So one activity is given there, but before that I want to explain one important point regarding to simultaneous equation. Let us see. So simultaneous equation means, for example, first equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Right? This is equation number 1. And if we take another one, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. See here. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Let us see here. Is equal to c2. That is equation number 2. So if we solve this equation, we get how many solutions? There are infinite number of solutions. We have already seen. If we solve this equation, how many solutions are there? There are also infinite number of solutions. So when can we say these are the simultaneous equation? So remember that among all these infinity solutions, if at least one solution is common between these two, then and then only these two are called as a simultaneous equation. Okay, means if we plot the graph, suppose this is the one line, suppose this is the line regarding to this equation, and if we take another one, let us say this is the line regarding to this equation. So here there are how many solutions? This is 1, 2, 3 like that. Infinite number of solutions. Here are also infinite number of solutions. But look at this. This is the common solution. This is the common solution, it means that here these two equations are simultaneous equation. Got it? Means what is the condition for being a two equation as a simultaneous? Condition is that should be at least one common solution, or in geometrical words, the meaning of simultaneous equation means two lines should be intersect with each other. Okay, so line can intersect with each other either in one point or in infinity point. For example, if this is the one line, clear, and let us here, this is another one. These are the two lines. They are also intersecting each other, and there are how many common points? There are infinite common point. And here there are how many common points? Only one common point. So if this condition occur, then and then such two equations or more than two equations are called as a simultaneous equation. And here question arises, how to find that common solution? Means in other words, how to solve the simultaneous equation. And in this chapter we are going to study the different methods of solving the simultaneous equation. So basically there are three methods of solving the simultaneous equation. Remember, one is called graphical method. What is first method? It is called graphical method. Second is called, it is elimination method or substitution method. And third is called Cramer's rule, or it is called determinant method. So in this chapter we are going to study how to solve the simultaneous equation by using graphical method. There are some exercise related to this point. Second one, how to solve simultaneous equation by using the substitution method or elimination method. There are some exercise related to this one. Third one, how to solve the simultaneous equation by using determinant or Cramer's rule. So there are some exercise related to that point. And finish. So that ends the chapter. So in next lecture we are going to start how to solve the simultaneous equation by using graphical method. Okay, so this is about the general introduction of the chapter simultaneous equation. See here. Look at this. Okay, this is about the activity, and now next we have to study the different activities and how to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. So that's it. This is very simple chapter. Okay, you will get lot of interest in this once we enter in the center of the chapter. Okay, so wish you all the best. Thank you. We shall stop here. Remaining part we will continue next lecture.